In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export in Make.com. This will be particularly helpful if you're diving deeper into workflow automation and want to manage your scenarios more effectively. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Make.com website and ensure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, a crucial starting point for all your automation tasks. On the dashboard, look for the tab labeled Scenarios. By clicking on it, you'll enter a space where all your automation projects live. This is where you develop, organize, and manage each scenario you create. Next, you'll want to click on the Create Scenario button. This starts a new automation process where you can develop the blueprint for your tasks. Once in the scenario editor, you'll notice various options allowing you to build and adjust your workflow. Here, pay attention to the option that allows you to import blueprint. Click on this to begin the process of bringing in a previously developed workflow. Importing blueprints is particularly useful if you want to use standard scenarios or collaborate with others by sharing tasks and automations. After you've selected Import Blueprint, ensure that the chosen file is correct and aligns with your planned workflow. Once confirmed, click Save. This step finalizes the importation process, integrating the blueprint into your current Make.com projects. The Save button is crucial as it securely stores your newly imported blueprint, preventing data loss and readily preparing it for execution or further modification. Now, let's focus on exporting your scenarios. Head back to the main Scenarios tab and once again select Create Scenario. In the Scenario Editor, focus on the feature that says Export Blueprint. By clicking on this option, you can choose the scenario you want to share or store outside the Make.com environment. Exporting allows you to save a complete copy of your automation, including all settings and components, enabling easy sharing with your colleagues or maintaining a backup. In summary, importing and exporting in Make.com is a seamless process that enhances collaboration and ensures the safety of your automations. By following these simple steps, you're equipped to efficiently manage your scenarios, now easily transferring automations into and out of your Make.com account. This makes it possible to scale, modify, or share your workflows effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has provided clarity on managing your workflow automations effectively in Make.com. If you have further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to explore more of our instructional content. Enjoy building and optimizing your automation projects.